Happy morning, students. I hope you all safe and good. Okay, children, in our today's class you are going to learn all the 1 marks in measurements. In measurements you learned area and perimeter of some geometrical shapes. Let me see the geometrical shapes one by one. First one, parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Here AB and CD are the opposite sides, so they are parallel and have equal length. In the same way, AD and BC are the opposite side and they have the same length and they are parallel also. And H is the height of the parallelogram. Now we will see the area. Area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. And now what is the perimeter? Perimeter of the parallelogram is equal to sum of the four sides. Second one, rhombus. In rhombus, all the four sides are equal and we have two diagonals here, D1 and D2. D1 is the diagonal 1 and D2 is the diagonal 2. What is diagonal? Diagonal means the line segment joining the opposite vertex. Now, area of the rhombus is equal to half into D1 into D2. Here D1 and D2 are the diagonals. Now come to the third diagram, trapezium. In a trapezium, one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Here just look at the diagram. AB and CD are the parallel sides and they have the length AB and H is the height of the trapezium. Now area of the trapezium is equal to half into H into A plus B. Okay children, now we will see the 1 marks objective type questions in exercise 2.1. First question, the perimeter of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are 6 cm and 5 cm is. You know well, perimeter means we have to add all the boundaries. Here we have 4 sides, so sum of all the 4 sides. So 2 times we have to add 6 and 2 times 5. So 2 times of 6 plus 5 is equal to 2 into 6 plus 5, 11. So which is equal to 22 is your answer. Okay, seventh problem. The area of a parallelogram whose base 10 meter and height 7 meter. They are asking area. You know the formula. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. Here base is 10 and height is 7. Just substitute the values. You will get the answer. 10 sevens are 70 square meter. So your option number 1 is the answer. Eighth question, the base of the parallelogram with area is 52 square centimeter and height 4 centimeter is. Here you know the formula, area is equal to base into height. Here we are going to find base, so just keep it in the left side and remaining area by height you have. So just substitute the values 52 by 4 and cancelling this by 4 table, 1 4 is 4 and 52 will be 13 times. So the answer is 13 centimeter. Here third one is your answer, third option. Next one, ninth one. What happens to the area of the parallelogram if the base is increased 2 times and the height is halved? Okay, just look at that. Area is equal to base into height we know. New base is equal to 2 into old base. Because they are telling new base is 2 times, that is increased 2 times. So that we are taking new base is equal to 2 into old base. And the same way height they are telling halved. So new height will be half of old height. So now the new area is equal to new base into new height. So 2 into B into half into H. 2 will be cancelled. You have B into H which is equal to old area. So the option is remains the same, second option. Now come to the next one, 10th one. In a parallelogram, the base is 3 times its height. If the height is 8 centimeter, then the area is, you know the formula, area is equal to B into H. For B, you have to take 3 into H. So 3H into H is given as 8. So just substitute the values. 3 into 8 into 8. 3 8s are 24 and 24 into 8 you will be getting 192. So 192 centimeter square or 192 square centimeter. Now next exercise 2.2 objective type questions. First question, that is sixth one. The area of the rhombus with the side 4 cm and height 3 cm is. What is the formula? Already you know, you have two formulas for rhombus. If you have base and height, you can take B into H, or otherwise off into D1 into D2. In this sum, we have base and height. So you are going to apply base into height. Okay, now substitute the value. Base is 4 and height is 3. 4 3s are 12 cm square. Now next one, the area of the rhombus when both diagonals measuring 8 cm is. Both diagonal is 8. So what is the formula? Area is equal to off into D1 into D2. Why we are using this formula? Because they are, its diagonal is given. So 1 by 2 into 8 into 8. And 2 and 8 we can cancel by 2 tables. 4 you can get. So remaining we have 8 into 4. 8 4s are 32 is your answer. Now next one, eighth question. The area of the rhombus is 128 square centimeter and the length of one diagonal is 32. The length of the other diagonal is, just write the formula first, off into D1 into D2, which is equal to 128. Because area is given, just substitute the values. We have one diagonal is 32. So already area is 128. So 128 into that 2 goes to that side means multiply by 2. So 2 divided by 32. If you cancel this, we will get 8 centimeter. Next one, ninth one. The height of the rhombus whose area 96 square meter and side 24 meter. So same formula here, area and side is given. So we are going to apply base into height. Then only you can find height. Because in area using base and height we have height, no? So just apply that formula. Base or side is equal to 24. So just substitute this into the formula. Area is 96 divided by base is 24. When we cancel these two, we will get 4 is the answer. Now next one, the angle between the diagonals of a rhombus is. Angle of a rhombus bisects at right angle. So the answer is 90 degree. Now next exercise 2.3 objective type questions. First one, the area of a trapezium if the parallel sides are measuring 8 cm and 10 cm and the height 5 cm is. Direct question. Area we have to write. Area for trapezium is off into H into A plus B. All the values are given. Just substitute into the formula. 1 by 2 into height is 5 into A is 10 and B is 8, which is equal to 45. Next one. In a trapezium, if the sum of the parallel sides is 10 cm and then area is 140 square meter, then the height is. Again the same, just write the formula first and write what are the values given in the question. Here we have sum of the parallel side is 10. So just substitute area 140 which is equal to off into H into sum of the parallel side is 10 is given, that 10, and cancelling these values, that is that 10 and 2 will get 5 and it goes to that side means divide by so 140 divided by 5 you will get 28 is the answer. Okay, 10th question. When the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, then it is known as an isosceles trapezium. Here non-parallel sides are equal, then the trapezium is called an isosceles trapezium. Okay children, I hope you all understood the questions. Thank you.